In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Smartsheet free trial and understand what to do before it ends. The first thing you need to do is go to the Smartsheet website. You can do this from any modern web browser on your computer. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to look around so you can make sure you are on the official site. This is important because you want to sign up through the correct page and review the most accurate trial information directly from the source. Next, open the free trial or sign up page. On most websites like this, you will usually see a button near the top of the homepage that says something like try for free, get started, or sign up. Click that option to move forward. This will take you to the page where Smartsheet explains its trial offer and begins the account setup process. Once you are on that page, check the trial length shown there. Trial periods can sometimes change, so it is always a good idea to confirm the exact number of days listed before you create your account. Spend a few seconds reading the details on the page so you understand what the trial includes and whether any billing information or plan information is mentioned. That way, you know exactly what to expect from the start. After that, create your account using your email address. Enter your email carefully so you can receive any confirmation or onboarding messages connected to your new account. As you go through the sign-up process, follow the prompts on screen and complete any required fields. Make sure the information you enter is accurate so your setup goes smoothly. Once your account is ready, use the trial to test sheets, reports, dashboards, and automations. This is the most valuable part of the process because it gives you a chance to explore the platform and see how it fits your workflow. Try building a simple sheet, generating a report, looking at a dashboard layout, and experimenting with automation features. The goal here is to understand what tools are available and which ones would actually be useful for your needs. Before the trial ends, review your plan. This step matters because it helps you avoid confusion about what happens next. Take time to check what features you use during the trial and whether those features are part of a paid plan. Read the plan details carefully so you can make an informed decision. Finally, upgrade only if you want to continue using paid features. If the tools you tested are valuable for your work, then upgrading may make sense. If not, you can simply stop there after reviewing your options. And that's it. You now know how to start a Smartsheet trial, test its key features, and decide whether upgrading is the right move for you.